This lighting is absolutely horrific and doing nothing for me. Experience with a Montreal bagel. It keeps breaking. We're going to go to Old Montreal today, and we're gonna go to this cute little like cafe called Tommy. I'm really excited. I looked at the pictures and they have lots of plants, and I really like plants. I just think they like make a whole aesthetic. It's really nice. So
prochaine station, Square Victoria, OACI.
smile. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to pronounce it. Jiggle. To the top. Busy, 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 busy. It's crazy. I guess this is like tourist central. I guess I should have known. I mean, I'm a tourist and I wanted to come here, so at least I wore a hat. Get bagels. It's super like nice out today. It's like sunny and hot, like 25 degrees. I think Utah's really excited. Where are they?
Hannah, they're everywhere. Oh my gosh, Hannah. We need to get this to go. Okay. You're making full snap.
No, Wasp, it's not your food.
I'm sure it's only fault.
It's gone, it's gone.
Yeah, probably.
So we missed our flight, so we had to pay to get on another flight to Toronto, and then we're gonna fly home from Toronto, and we're not gonna get there till like 12:30. So yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Hello, Toronto. What a beautiful little pit stop as we like run to our next flight.